August expansion 539 ShipOwner. We have had July very successful because many shipowners are realizing that the expansion America LPG gas trade to Europe, why not look at Latin American officers and ratings? I wonder, is this ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency? Oh, I forgot, really, it's a bit more work for your crew management department. Hi, what a pity. Let's cut emissions. Indeed. Tank, same thing. Container, bulk carrier, general cargo. 50% of world trade is within Atlantic Ocean, Europe to America. We have a really perfect appendix in Europe called Spain, which LNG, LPG, container, bulk carrier, general cargo, all types of ships, even more and more cruise ships, we are starting to say, hey, thank you, go home. Why? Because we cannot get like 5 cruise ships of 6,000 tourists, that's 30,000 having selfies every time. Yes, even when you go surfing, someone's gonna take a photo of you, then why? Did you ask permission? Why don't you go back where you belong? Yeah, that's pollution, isn't it? But about this expansion in August, what is going to happen? Same thing again. There is going to be many companies sleeping. Really? August is the time to have holidays. There is no justice in Spain in August, so it's great for all these criminals to walk. No justice. And also it's right timing for you, dear shipowner, to ask me a quote to me because I'm going to work 24/7 even faster. We have quotes perfectly done in July. We have LPG, tanker, general cargo, container, bulk carrier, LNG, cruise, RoRo, RoPax, high-speed craft, offshore, DP, anchor handling, all types ships standard quotes we did in July. Many of them, let's say 15% went ahead. So August, we have those standard quotes already being done. Dear shipowner, if you're listening to this, then just think about it. What's going to happen? Perhaps the dollar, it will really go up with the euro because the euro went up. Now, I don't know about these macro tax thieves and printing money policies. I know about investing in Bitcoin, which is going to be a tendency if you really want to survive. If you are a Bitcoin investor, thinking Candina, because our profits will go towards MicroStrategy, yes, and we will see the results of digital companies like Amazon. But Candina is a digital company, and August it will expand. Why? Because the others are going to rest. So even if you're thinking in Espanol and you have the same issue, I want to change the crew management company. Hola, buenos dias. Contact us. We have a better deal because we are digital and we are AI. Yes. Thank you. Bye.